welcome to my YouTube channel at Akim Ola. Today we have a dangerous looking equation on logarithm solved, and we are going to do justice to this particular question any moment from now. But before we proceed to the solution of this question, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Akim Ola. You can also like and share my video. I will appreciate if you can do this to me. Now, we have this particular question. How can we solve this question? Looking at this question, we have solution. How can we solve this question? It will be very difficult for us to solve this question directly. From the way I'm looking at it, we can use a letter to represent the two terms on the board. As in, we can use a letter to represent this. We can use another letter to represent this. So I can write, let P is equal to 5 raised to power minus 3 log 5, 2. I have that. Still complex, still difficult to do. What can I do again? From here, I can take the log of both sides to base 5. I can write, take the log of both sides to base 5. If I take the log of both sides to base 5, I am going to have log P. I'm going to have log 5P is equal to log 5. Now 5 minus 3 log 5, 2. From here, according to the law of log, when you have something like this, log m raised to power n, it means n log m. So from here, this power will move to the back of the logarithm sign. So if this one should move to the back, that means we are going to have log 5p is equal to minus 3 log 5, 2. Then I'm going to have my log 5, 5. There is also a law that is related here, and that law is log mn will surely give us 1. And here we have log 5, 5. So log 5, 5 here will give us 1. That means we are going to have log 5p is equal to minus 3 log 5, 2. As in from here, if you multiply this one by 1, the whole of this one will give us 1. So multiply by this will give us this. So from here, I can go back to this law. I have log mn will give us n log this. That means this 3 minus 3 can be, these two can be raised to this power. So I'm going to have again log 5p is equal to log 5. Then I have 2 raised to power minus 3. Looking at this, we notice that log 5 is on both sides of the equation. So the log 5 will cancel out. So this one will cancel, this one will cancel. So we are now left with p is equal to 2 raised to power minus 1 over 3, which is equal to 1 all over 8. We have gotten an answer for the first part of the question. Now, we can now consider the second part of the question. So I can now write, let's q is equal to 2 raised to the power of 2 log 2 raised to the power of 2 log, oh my god, 2 raised to the power of 2 log 2, 3. So from here, what can I do again? I can take the log of both sides. But in this case, I am going to take the log of both sides to base 2. So we have take log of both sides to base 2. If you take the log of both sides to base 2, that means we are going to have log 2q is equal to log 2 2 2 2, then 2 log 2 3. So from here, what can I do? Just like we did to this other side. This one here, we move to the back of the log sign. If that should happen, we are going to have log 2q is equal to 2 log 2 3. Then I have log 2 2. But you know that log 2 2 will surely give us 1. So the all of these will give us 1. You can multiply the 1 with this. That means we are now going to have log 2q is equal to, then you simplify, log 2 3 raised to the power of 2. So from here, the log 2 is common to both sides. It will cancel. So this now implies that our q will now be equal to 3 square. And that our q will now be equal to 3 square. And that will give us 9. So the question now will now become, this is, we represented this with P, and we represented this with Q. So the question now will now be P minus Q. P minus Q. Now, what is our P? Our P is equal to 1 all over 8. That is our P. Minus our Q is 9. So you can put all over 1 there. Then we can now find the LCM. What is the LCM of 8 and 1? It is actually 8. 8 in 8 is 1. Then 1 times 1, 1. Minus 1 here is 8. 8 times 9 is 72. So it will now be equal to minus 71 all over 8. And that will surely give us minus 8. Whole number, that is 64. 71 minus 64. That will now give us 7. 7 all over 8. That is the value of this particular question. So we are going to stop here for now. Thanks for watching. Honestly, I really appreciate you guys. But don't still forget to watch and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Akim Ola. You can also like and share my video. We stop here for now. We take it off from here later. God bless you. We move.